Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve part 3rd and part 4th of question number 5. Again you have to factorize the expression and then you have to divide them. Now if I want to factorize it, first of all I can take 5 as a common term. So if I take 5 as common, so from here p square will remain. From here this is 25. If 5 as a factor is taken out, so only 5 into 5, which is 25, will remain. This is p. And if from 20 5 is taken out, only 4 will remain inside the bracket, and this is p minus 1. Now this term can be splitted, or you can say this term can be factorized by splitting this middle term into two parts such that their multiplication should be 4 and their addition should be 5. So clearly those two numbers should be minus 4p and minus p plus 4, because 4 and 1 are those two numbers, their sum is 5 and 4 into 1 is 4. So this can be splitted this way, and this whole upon p minus 1 will remain as it is. So from here this is 5, and if you want to take common, you have to take it by regrouping it, means you have to take common from the first two terms. So clearly p is a common term, so if I take p as common, so p minus 4 will remain inside the bracket, and here also you have to make this term and this term same. So first of all the common factor here is 1, but if I take 1 as common, so this will become minus p and this will become plus 4, but here it is plus p and minus 4. So to convert the signs, you have to take minus 1 as common, so that the sign gets changed, and inside the bracket these two terms would remain equal. This is p minus 1. Now we know that this and these are two different terms. In both the terms p minus 4 is a common term. So if I take p minus 4 as common, so from the first only p will remain inside the bracket. From the second, if this whole term is taken out, only 1 will remain inside the bracket, and this is whole upon p minus 1. Now this p minus 1 can be cancelled out, and this is equals to 5 into p minus 4. So this would be your answer for this third part. Now again you have to factorize this. To factorize this, again you have to factorize this term, and you have to split this 6 into two parts such that their multiplication should be 16 and their subtraction should be 6. So clearly those two numbers are 8 and 2. So this 4yz will remain as it is. If you want, you can cancel this out. Here also the answer won't change. So this is z square. This is converted into 8z minus 2z, and this is equals to minus 16, because 6 when converted into this, so 8 minus 2 is 6 and 8 into 2 is 16 with negative sign. So I have split it 6 into two parts, and this would remain as it is. Now we have to take common, so from these two terms z can be taken and the remaining term will remain as it is. So if I take z as common, so z plus 8 will remain, and now from here and here 2 is a common factor. So if I take 2 as common, so minus z and minus 16 will remain inside the, minus 8 will remain inside the bracket, but again you have to make their sign same. So you have to take minus 2 as common so that their sign get changed. So minus will become positive, and this whole upon, this is 2y, and this is y plus z plus 8. Now from here and from this z plus 8 is a common factor, so I can take z plus 8 as a common factor, and the remaining z minus 2 will remain inside the bracket, and this is 2y and this is z plus 8. So z plus 8, z plus 8 are same, so can be cancelled. 2 can be cancelled this 2 times, and y will be cancelled with y. So the remaining factors, which are 2 into z and z minus 2, would be your answer for this fourth part. So this is how you can solve. If you are not able to get how these factors are converted, or you can say how these terms are get factorized, you can see our videos on fundamentals, or you can check the previous videos or the previous exercise where only the factorization has been performed. Thank you.